Here we got more eBay packages. I'm unboxing now. Got the shipping labels off. So let's move on. I'm gonna box the little one first. So we got a phone lot. There's a little Samsung one. Old school. There's a jitterbug phone. It's an Alcatel one. There's another one of those Alcatel jitterbug phones. These are all going to be destroyed. There's a lively jitterbug phone. This one's quite heavy. There's some old ass smartphone, crappy one. Don't know the brand of it. Here's an LG. It's another crappy budget phone. These are all going to be destroyed one day. Stay tuned for that. There's going to be a shipping label in the box, so I gotta be careful. Got it out. Got a back cam for the Atlas chandelier speaker I got. Another shipping label, gotta be careful. Yeah, it came in good condition. Hope it came in good condition. Hopefully it did. Looks like it did. Yeah, I think it came in good condition. I'm gonna pull this out to make sure. Looks like it came in good condition. Look at that. Very nice. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.